Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my daily routine on the things that I do to maintain hair growth. It's actually exactly what I told you at the beginning of my video when I gave you your 2025 plan for the year when it comes to growing your hair. And I've actually been following those simple steps I told you guys, and without further ado, let's get into it. Well, personally, when it comes to hair growth, what I've been doing this whole year, I've just been doing monthly hair growth routines, of which on my bucket list, number one that I prefer doing is normally hot oil treatment. When it comes to hot oil treatment, I normally prefer doing it every 2 weeks. That's what I personally prefer. I would always Okay, when it comes to talking about the hot oil treatment in depth, I did a video about it, so go check it out. For now, I'm just telling you the basics that I've been doing to literally grow my hair. When it comes to hot oil treatment, please consider by first massaging your scalp. Your scalp is just nice and like activated. The pores are now perfectly activated to absorb the nutrients in the hot oil. And then another thing, as I told you, I normally do it every 2 weeks or monthly, or when I see my hair is dry and damaged. That's when you'll catch me doing hot oil treatments, really. And what I've been doing this year, actually, I've just been doing it monthly. That's what I've been sticking on, because like I'm a person who likes doing braids on my hair. Like I just do braids on my hair and just forget about my hair and I still oil my scalp weekly, don't get me wrong, but until a month later and I'll like touch my hair and it's now wash day, I would always be like, I think I should do a hot oil treatment first, then I go ahead to like doing the washing. After that, I'll go ahead into doing hair mask. And personally, I've tried every type of hair mask you can think of, and there's still more to come that I would love to do. Well, for now, the hair mask that I normally lock in on is normally amla powder. Like amla powder is the best, and I highly recommend it. It just revives your hair back into normal, like nothing ever happened, like your hair was never dry. Then I normally do the hot oil treatment followed by the amla. Don't get me wrong, I haven't washed my hair yet after doing the hot oil treatment. I just put the amla mask in my hair, sit with it for like 2 hours straight, then I go ahead and wash in my hair. And guys, when I tell you my curls normally revive back, even just by taking off the bag and I touch my hair, I will notice that my hair is now perfectly hydrated. It's just back to normal, like nothing happened. So for step 2, I normally prefer doing hair mask, and for my choice is amla powder. So now that my hair is perfectly washed and dry, next step is protective hairstyle. And for me personally, since the challenges have had this year, I didn't have that much time to like work on my hair, like pay for my hair to get done and all. I would normally braid my own hair. And sadly, when it comes to like when I braid my hair myself, it normally looks so bad. Like my hair will get ruined like after 3 days. I'm like, ugh, all that braiding for this just 3 days later. So personally, I decided to settle on braiding my hair weekly. I would always do box braids on myself, like the ugly shit, like the ugly shit. I'll do it like I will braid it weekly like that. Then after a week I change. So I would always oil my scalp weekly after I change my braids, when I refresh my braids. The only reason why I stick to staying with that, because I normally cover my hair mostly, so it's not a big deal to me. Yeah, so another thing, I'll always do twists. One thing about what I noticed about twists is that whenever I stay with the twist in my hair weekly, they will normally be like, whenever I unbraid my hair, it normally feels kind of matted and like, okay, as much as it's good for hair growth, but personally, when it comes to doing the twist, I don't prefer it that much. That's why I stick to doing box braids on my hair. Yeah, another thing which is now I've decided to like start braiding my hair. By the way, there's a new video coming soon. Right now at the moment I'm in a fenugreek hair growth challenge. I'm going to be dropping that video for you guys soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Now I prefer sticking to like doing now protective hairstyles. This will be my go-to, like doing lines, cornrows, or like cornrows at the top, just a lot, you know. I just want to get into that protective hairstyle, like legit wise. Yeah, so I'll normally braid my own hair, change it weekly, or I will go get braided professionally, which they like do my hair neatly and it looks to die for. I normally look good in it. Or I go get braided professionally, which I would always prefer changing every 2 to 3 weeks, mostly 3 weeks. Or if I see the hair looks that bad, that's when I'll consider changing my hair. So yeah, that's about that. And about the twist, I would rarely do it. And now that I've started like braiding cornrows, I don't have much to say about that. But for now, the box braid is what I would always do. So yeah, I've just been that's about it. You just need to find the best protective hairstyle that works for you. And for now, I can recommend either box braids or just cornrows. So my other step that I would always do once my hair is perfectly braided and I have my braid of choice, it comes to the oiling. Right now, at the moment, the oil that has my heart, has my soul, is castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil. Don't sleep on that. Guys, don't sleep on Jamaican black castor oil. It literally does wonders for you. And yeah, that's what I would prefer for my scalp. So you have sorted yourself out. I'm about to learn how to make herbal oil so that I can consider using that and maybe doing businesses with it. I don't know. Yeah, for now I use castor oil. That's what I use on my scalp. Now when it comes to your strands, don't only oil your scalp, I beg. Also make sure you oil your strands. And when it comes to oiling the strands, I would recommend you guys finding hair foods. I normally have my own DIY hair food that I make from scratch, mixing it with all the nice oils, amla, everything, and plus hair food itself. I don't know from your side where you guys can get hair food, but I would recommend you guys getting the moisturizing hair food type. Yeah, so I will take the hair food, mix it up with my oils and shade, and that's what I will use in my hair to apply normally on my hair strands. Like right now, I would apply it on my ends here. Yeah, see? So the castor oil, I'll put it in my scalp, and as for the ends, that's when you'll catch me putting the moisturizing oil. So the next step I will normally do with my hair is trimming. I know no one likes to hear this. Trimming the hair. Yeah, whenever it comes to like your split ends, I would highly recommend you guys trimming your hair. I will do this every 3 or 6 months. You'll only catch me trimming my hair every 6 months when I notice that my hair is not that badly damaged. That's when I'll consider trimming every 6 months. But I'll only trim my hair every 3 months only if I know that I've been careless, I haven't been giving my hair much attention. That's when you'll see me trimming my hair every 3 months. Yeah. And another thing, as I said, this year has been so hectic for me. I've been at my lowest, I've been at my highest. I just didn't have time for my hair. I would always braid my hair, oil it, braid my hair, oil it, braid my hair, oil it. So another step that I'm going to be putting into my routine is using natural remedies again. I had a pause with that. I stopped doing natural remedies around last year. You can check my videos out. I have several videos about natural remedies when it comes to like cloves water, onion water, and my most trending video is actually the cloves video. So right now I'm going to start using fenugreek water in my hair. I'm going to be using that for a month straight. Make sure you stay tuned for that video and subscribe so that you don't miss out that video. So yeah, I'm going to introduce natural remedies as part of my hair growth journey henceforth. And my last step that I have been doing, which is very important, by the way, I've done all these steps, everything, and I have growth, like my hair has grown. So I don't want to lose the hair growth. So I will normally, when it comes to like unbraiding my hair, that is only if I've done it professionally. Like when it comes to professional hairstyles, I'll only stay with those hairstyles for like 3 weeks. So when it comes to unbraiding my hair and saving the growth, I would normally use okra gel or aloe vera. But personally, I prefer aloe vera. I prefer okra gel. I will use okra gel, put that on my, like put it where the growth, between the, from where the braid starts to where the growth is at. Remember, I've been doing box braids. That's why I find it more easier that way. So I'll use okra gel to unbraid my hair. Then I'll repeat the whole procedure again. After unbraiding my hair, I do hot oil treatment only if I see my hair is dry, of which is normally dry at times. I unbraid my hair, hot oil treatment, go ahead to doing the hair mask, then go ahead to washing my hair, then I will go ahead to like braiding my hair, which I have said right now I'm going to be doing cornrows. Before I was doing box braids. Yeah, then I'm going to include the natural remedy now henceforth, and then after that, yeah, just like that. That's what I've been doing. Imagine it's that simple. That's exactly what I told you guys earlier this year in my video. As I said, go check that out too, because I've given out sweet teas out there that you can use, advices, recommendations, and everything. Make sure you consider checking that out. Yeah, that has been my daily routine on growing my hair the whole of this year, and Please consider trying it out if you haven't, and for those that are new to my channel, please consider subscribing down below. You join the family. We're out for success in my channel, literally. And yeah, always remember that nobody has bad hair. God has blessed us all with good hair. Don't give up on your hair growth journey. Your hair will grow only if you're consistent with it. So consider that. I'll see you guys next time, and always remember that good things take time and trust the process. Bye bye guys, take care of yourselves.